In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in Webflow. Adding video content to your website is a great way to make your pages more engaging, interactive, and visually appealing. Whether you're showcasing tutorials, product demonstrations, promotional content, or background media, videos can help capture attention and improve the overall experience for your visitors. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of adding an MP4 video to your Webflow project in a simple and beginner-friendly way. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to webflow.com. Once the website loads, sign in to your account using your login information. After logging in, you'll arrive at your dashboard where all your existing projects are displayed. Next, locate the specific project where you want to add your video content. Click on the project to launch the Webflow Designer. Before making any edits, make sure you've opened the correct project because any changes you publish may affect the live version of your website. Once the designer is fully loaded, direct your attention to the left-hand panel where all the layout and content elements are stored. This section is commonly known as the Add panel, and it contains different components you can drag directly onto your web page. Inside the Add panel, look for the Video element. When you find it, simply drag and drop it onto your canvas. The canvas is the main editing area where you build and organize the structure of your website pages. By placing the video element onto the canvas, you're creating a dedicated area where your MP4 video content can appear within your design. If your project contains many elements and you have trouble locating the video element manually, Webflow also provides a quick search feature to help speed things up. On Mac devices, press Command+E, or on Windows, press Control+E to open the Quick Find search bar. Once the field appears, type the word Video, and Webflow will instantly help you locate the element. After placing the video element into your layout, you can continue positioning it within your page design to match the rest of your content. This makes it easier to create visually balanced sections that blend smoothly with your website's style and structure. Using video elements effectively can help make your website feel more dynamic and professional while also giving visitors a more interactive browsing experience. As you continue building your project, don't hesitate to experiment with spacing, placement, and layout arrangements to make your pages look even better. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to add an MP4 video in Webflow quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.